All right, aerial view of 2721 Naamans Road. Just spin around. It's right there on the left. You see that winding driveway that pulls up to the two-car garage. Very nice and clearly easy access to 202. Right down Naamans Road, you can hit 95 pretty quickly. So just going to zoom around, show you this, and the proximity to the high school. I think we're going to get it in this shot is right around the corner, legitimately right there on the left. So you can't beat that if that's a benefit to you. And there we go. Just take in the scenery, and then I'm going to get you to the inside right away. All right, 2721 Naamans Road. You got to check this out. So currently at 210, but you do have a driveway off the side that wraps around. I'm parked all the way at the end. Two-car garage. We'll see if it's warm enough to get some drone footage to help this exterior. But check this out. There you see, listed by Andy. Good guy. Spin you around and let's get you inside. So, looks like there was a handicap access here. And front door. I believe nobody's here. Hopefully not, because I don't like dog on the premises. But let's get you inside. All right, and in we go. All right, actually pretty nice little front area here. It's going to be an appointment right behind me, so I am going to move quickly. You know, out of respect for the other agents and this crazy market we're in. Hello, hello. All right. Wow. Hardwoods. That is a wood-burning fireplace. You do have some newer vinyl windows in here too. I'll tell you what. This footprint's pretty nice. So let's get our bearings. That's going to take you upstairs, clearly. This is the dining room. Good size. Into the kitchen. Do we have electricity? We do. All right, into the kitchen. That's going to be a separate area. Let me just spin you around. All right, stainless steel. Not too bad for what it is. And then over here, we're going to call our first bedroom. And do not enter. Okay. Hello, hello. Okay, that's interesting. Spin around. Bathroom. All right, all original tile. But you do have the black and the white, so you can work with that. And even on the floor. It's not bad. This is a little linen closet. That's a bigger front closet. Look at that. Access panel made for the shower. All right, so remember, do not enter is bedroom number 1. There's the front door. I'm going to call it the family room. Here's bedroom number 2. Trying to get a sense of how this place smells, honestly, and I don't notice anything. I'm just a little cautious because of that beware of dog sign before. So I imagine, speculating, that there was pets here. All right. Okay, so that is the first floor until we go through here, which we will now. Okay. All right, a little breezeway. Oh, nice. We only have one key, so I don't know if we'll be able to get into the actual garage. But nice yard. You got a shed in the corner. I'll tell you what. There you go. And that's the driveway you come in on the side. So let's map this out and see. Okay, that's interesting. Oh, well, we can get in. That's an interesting way to get in. But hey, we got in. All right, in the garage. Cool. 2-car garage. Plenty of storage. Person worked on cars or it's a compressor. Then up here is additional storage. Oh, it's phenomenal. High ceilings. Great garage. And you can see those doors let some natural light through. I believe they're fiberglass. So great 2-car garage. Concrete floor, block construction. Just interesting way to get up. Let's see, we're gonna do this. Oh yeah. All right, now you can get your bearings, and there's that ramp. That's why that doorway was compromised, because they added that ramp. All right. Pop them off. Here we go. Keep it locked. Keep it safe. By the way, the kitchen I mentioned a little bit. You got a good nook over here too. Then the front door is right here on our right, but we are going to head upstairs. Remember, 2 bedrooms already downstairs. So this is, wow, bedroom 3, which is sizable. Great use of space. I think they compromised the closet, put it in a half bath. Excellent. Plumbing's there. Closet. You're gonna have storage all over there because of the roof line. Newer windows. Huh. Well, spoiler alert, if you're watching these videos, I'm actually gonna have 3 properties up for sale very shortly, right off of Naamans Road. So, gotta finalize some things, but if you're looking for this proximity, or location, I should say, there you go. All right, so 2 bedrooms downstairs, 1 up here. We're up to 3 so far. Oh, wow. That's a big walk-in cedar closet. All right, bedroom 4 and 5. I mean, this is a 5-bedroom house. And, it doesn't look, let's see if we can get this. Good carpet person. However, this was already done. Okay, old school padding. Oh man, it goes all the way under the wall. But under here, let's see if we can see. We're gonna see if we get lucky. Because if we got hardwoods under here, I might be barking up the wrong tree. We might just be able to see. Nah, it's just a subfloor. Let's put that back down. Yeah, sorry. I was hoping there was hardwoods there for you. Yeah, and look at this 5th bedroom. This is cool. Closet. Yeah, the footprint from outside doesn't look this big. But there you go. So that is the whole house, besides the basement, which we should find now. All right. Here is the basement. All right, cool. No light. We'll do fine without it. A lot of daylight. All right. Higher ceilings, block construction. The water stuff there. 2 oil tanks. Take this in. That looks like a newer water heater. Whirlpool. Actually a pretty nice one. Washer and dryer. Someone's here, be careful. The cover's off on that panel. And you have a sink right there. Looks like a sump pump. All right. And a walkout. So I can see someone finishing this. We got some notes here. Ooh, light. Booklet contains information. Burns and McBride. All right, good. They were servicing it, I believe. I have to see where gas is. Yeah, be careful in there too. Because gas should be on Naamans Road. Again, do your own due diligence. These videos are only to help. Check that out. Oh, even brighter. There you go. Turn the other one off. Now that completes the tour inside. Wow. Impressive square footage, actually. Back out here. Show you this one more time. Lots of windows here. Skylight. And I'll leave you right there. All right, we're back outside. I just wanted to walk around and show you this. I think the other appointment's coming right now, so I do want to hustle. There's your backyard. Again, the 2-car garage with those somewhat transparent doors that let natural light in. And by the way, I missed that. There's coverings on those windows, so you'll get even more natural light in there. But look at this backyard. You have that shed in that far corner. And there you go. So I'll leave you right there.